Hey lovelies, I have another lash review for you guys. These are underlash lash extensions, so they're extensions that are meant to be applied under the lash line instead of on top. These are called Falscara, the #1 DIY lash extensions kit. And here's an up close of the lashes. These are the multi-pack lengthening wisps ranging from 10mm to 14mm. There's 2 rows of 10, 2 rows of 12, and 1 row of 14mm. In addition to the lashes, you get this cute applicator. I love the ombre colors, my favorite colors. And you also get this bond and seal. You're gonna use this to help the lashes stick and to seal them on. So I'm starting on clean lashes. I don't know why my lashes are giving very much bald. I have a little bit of lashes, but we're gonna enhance them. Using the applicator, I'm gonna take the first lash out of the container. I'm gonna start with the large. Next, I'm gonna brush a light coat of the bond on my natural lashes. This bond is infused with biotin. It's non-damaging and it primes the natural lashes to prep them for the wisp. A little of this stuff goes a long way. Once you apply the balm, one by one, you're going to gently place the wisp underneath the base of your natural lashes, slightly away from the waterline. The wisps are designed with a microband and feather-light fibers to be applied easily, seamlessly, and comfortably. Now, it did take me a few attempts to get the lashes on at first, but once you find your technique, it's pretty easy. The glue kept sticking to the applicator and then like pulling the lash back off, so maybe you just wipe your applicator with like some alcohol just to remove the excess bonding formula. That way you don't have that problem. So as you can see, I'm working from the outer corner to the inner. I'm using 2 of the 14, so that's 2 of the large, and then I'm gonna use 1 of the medium, which is the 12mm. 3 is the most that I could fit on my lash line, and you want to get them as close together as you can for a seamless look. Seal the deal and dab a thin coat of seal under wisp to eliminate any sticky residue and hold them in place. Can you see the subtle difference yet? One side is slightly fuller, more cutesy. So I'm gonna do exactly the same thing on this other eye. I'm just applying the bond. And now I'm going in with a 14mm lash. Oh, and I did the bond section by section this time because I felt like when I applied it to the full lash, it would kind of dry down a little bit before I got there. So as you see here, I'm applying the bond to the next section because I'm about to apply the next lash, which is going to be another 14mm. You can hold this applicator at so many different angles. You can use it to apply the lash and also press the lashes together with your natural lash. That way it's even more seamless. And now I'm applying the 12mm lash, and that is it. I have them all on. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and seal this side. Remember, when you seal, it also eliminates any sticky residue. So if you notice that your lashes are kind of sticking to the top of your lid or to the bottom, just apply this, and this is also gonna hold them in place while removing the residue. Holding this mirror so I can see like the under lash line really helped a lot. I'm just gonna apply a little makeup, a little 1-2. Okay, so now I'm wrapping it up, just putting on this lip stain slash gloss combo. I don't know how I feel about it. But anyway, this is the final look. What do you guys think about the lashes? I can say that once you get a good technique, they're pretty easy to apply. With the bond and the sealing solutions, I feel like these lashes lasted a lot longer than the Winx ones. So I personally love these. I love the subtlety of it. I love the ease of just being able to go to your local drugstore, pick these up, and apply them yourself. These lasted me 2 days. I think it probably would have lasted me 3, but I'm an eye rubber and my eyes are really sensitive. I typically only care about them staying on for the day. I'm not sure if it was the bonding or the sealing, but after a couple of days, the lashes kind of became uncomfortable. So I went ahead and took them off. But I can say I am satisfied with my Falscara experience and I would recommend that you try them.
Bye, subscribe. Thank you. Subscribe.